Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to KingCambridgeSolution.com. On this website, you will find the solution of Cambridge International AS and A level and O level. Today, I shall give overview of the topic 6 binomial expansion of paper 1 Mathematics 9709. Let's start for the overview of binomial expansion. The binomial expansion is the method of expanding expression of the form a plus b whole raised to the power n, containing two terms. A and b are the terms, and n is the positive integer from 0 to 1, 2, 3, and so on. Why we call it binomial? Because the expansion contains two terms. A and b. For example, express 2 is the binomial expansion. We shall use it for the expansion of the given expression, like 0.98 whole raised to the power 5 having higher power of in case of integer. Let's start for the first of all I shall explain some basic formula used in the binomial expansion, like the binomial formula is a plus b whole raised to the power n summation x to n nk a raised to the power n minus k b raised to the power k, where nk is the n factorial over k factorial n minus k factorial. Now for the general formula is t k plus 1 equal to nk a raised to the power n minus k b raised to the power k. For non-integer n, we use the generalized binomial coefficient n k equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 up to so on. These are the formula that we shall use in the binomial expansion. Now, when we write a plus b whole raised to the power n equal to a raised to the power n, by taking the a raised to the power n common, we get 1 plus b over a whole raised to the power n. This is valid when b over a is less than 1. So, we shall explain the binomial expansion by taking the question number 1. Find the coefficient of x cube in x 3x minus 2 whole raised to the power 5. We know that the general term formula is t k plus 1 equal to n k a raised to the power minus k b raised to the power k. For 3k minus 2, 5, general term is 5k, 3k whole raised to the power 5 minus k minus 2k. We know that for the coefficient of x cube, we shall compare the power of x component, x term. So x raised to the power 5 minus k equal to x raised to the power 3. After simplification, we get k equal to 2. Now we shall put k equal to 2 in equation number 1. When we put in equation number 1, after simplification, we get 1080 x cube. So the coefficient of x cube is 1080. Now in the question number 2, find the middle term of 1 plus 2x whole raised to the power 9. Now we find out the middle term in the expansion of 1 plus 2x whole raised to the power 9. We know that in binomial expansion, when there is a power 2, then number of term will be always more than 1. Like you can see that on the screen, in a plus b whole square, the power is 2, so we shall have 3 terms. Like power is 2, the terms are 3, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So in this way, in the given expression 1 plus 2x whole raised to the power 9, the number of term will be 10. So in this case, since n is odd, there are two middle terms, 5th term and the 6th term. When we count from 1 to 10th, then the 5th and the 6th term will be the middle term in this case. Now, the general term formula for t k plus 1 n k a raised to the power n minus k b raised to the power k, because the middle term are 5th term and the 6th term, so k equal to 4 for the 5th term. When we put k equal to 4, after simplification we get t5 equal to 216 x raised to the power 4. Similarly, for the 6th term we put k equal to 5. When we put k equal to 5, after simplification we get t6 equal to 4032 k5. So the middle terms are 2016 x raised to the power 4, 4032 x raised to the power 5, the middle term in the expansion of 1 plus 9x, 1 plus 2x whole raised to the power 9. Now the question is how we shall access the remaining question about the binomial expansion. There are number of questions with solution, more than 30 question with solution for the binomial expansion on the website, on this website. How to access the solution of the remaining question? Like you can see that you can get the solution of the more than 30 question on this website. In the step 1, you will open the website kingcambridgesolution.com. After that, you will, on the top right corner, when you click on the link login and register link, you will get this interface. In this interface, you will click on the sign up. You can see that by the arrow, you will click on the sign up. When you click on the sign up, you will get this form. In this form, you will provide the username, email address, and the password, because for the registration, these different parameters are needed. So you will provide username, email address, and the password. When you click on the sign up, now you will automatically log in the website, or you can manually log in to the website by using your username and password created in the last step. After creating the user and password, you will be in the website. In the website, on the top, there are the courses link in the menu. When you click on the course list, you will get the different courses on the website. Like you can get all the past paper solution and the topic wise solution as well. On the top right corner, there is a category. In which category you want to download the video and the PDF. There are the different categories like the past paper solution, like the topical solution, like the O level, A level. There are different categories. So when after setting the category, you on the left hand side you will see the courses corresponding to that categories. Now after that, you want to download the mathematics paper 4. When you click on the preview course, as you can see that by the arrow button, you will see this interface. On the step 8, you will see this interface. After that, you will click add to the cart. After clicking the button add to the cart, you will click on the buy now button. When you click on the buy now button, you will get this interface of the Stripe. You will select the payment option like the Stripe. When you click on the Stripe, you will provide the parameter of your Stripe account. After that, you will click on the submit button. When you click on the submit button, after that, in your profile on the top right corner, you click on the order history. When you click on the order history, you will see the courses that you have bought on this website, like the Cambridge Solution, Pure Mathematics Paper 1, Pure Mathematics Paper 4, Extra, and the other courses that you have bought from the website. When you click on this, the item, you will find this interface. On this interface, in the course section of the website, when you click on the course content, you will find the course that you have bought on the website. These are the two icons. Like one is the PDF icon. When you click on the PDF icon, the PDF file will be downloaded to your local. And the right one is the video icon. When you click on the video icon, video file will be downloaded to your local. And after that, you will study. Best of luck. See you in the next series of the courses. Best of luck for your exam.